If you are manufacturing duct sections, today's competitive marketplace demands quality and reliability. You need a system that's designed, engineered, and built to produce the finished duct sections precisely and efficiently. A system that will cut your labor, material, and storage costs to increase profits to provide just-in-time production. Iowa Precision Industries presents the Pro FabriDuct coil line. This system takes coiled sheet metal and produces duct sections in L or wrap configurations. The system pulls material off the coil and flattens blanks, beads, notches, forms the slip and drive cleat, produces the male Pittsburgh or snap lock seam, and breaks the blank into L sections or fully wrapped sections. And your sections are ready to be assembled and installed. Optional tie rod hole punching is also available, and the notching system also accommodates TDC or TDF flanging. The controls and processing features are designed, built, and serviced by Iowa Precision, providing total system support. The Iowa Precision Pro FabriDuct system consists of the following components. The decoiling grid feed system supplies each coil station with its own hydraulic motor drive and feed-up path, and allows hands-off coil selection and feeding by selector switch and push button. Coil capacities of 12,000 pounds are standard, and the high-capacity option, which allows to 20,000-pound coils, is the heaviest available in the industry. The hydraulically driven coil stations utilize a hydraulically actuated hold-down roll that eases the feed-up process and provides a more positive payoff of material. The coil select station is made up of a series of pinch rolls that grip the material and feed it up the ramp. This system allows hands-free feeding of the material and faster coil changes. The Pro FabriDuct main processing section removes the coil set and beads, notches, roll forms the drive cleat if required, and produces the male Pittsburgh or snap lock seam. The optional tie rod hole punching system is also located in this section. The notching units are made up of solid die blocks, actuated by standard hydraulic cylinders. These are designed to last the life of the machine, or about 25 years, without rebuilding, as there are no sleeve bearings to wear out, which are common in post-type die set systems. The notches are sized to provide an extremely small open area to substantially reduce the air sealing requirements. The cleat roller will roll 180-degree hems on L section or wrapped duct. A sensing device provides the timing control needed to form the appropriate legs of the duct section. If slip and drive connectors are not needed, the part passes through the cleat roller without being formed. The cleat roller system is hydraulically actuated to provide a smooth, positive forming action. The combination shear brake head is hydraulically actuated, and the setup program controls the internal forming brake to develop the male edge for either a Pittsburgh or snap lock seam. This system eliminates the need for a duplex-type roll former to make the seam locks, and therefore removes any concern for run-out. A button punch system is also available as an option. This module produces the snap lock button punching needed for the male seam, and it utilizes a set of punches that are mounted within the bed of the leaf brake in the shear head. The punches are hydraulically actuated and are gagged to easily turn this optional feature on and off. Following the shear brake operation, the right-angled transfer table provides for proper squaring and 90-degree transfer into the single-sided seam roll forming system, or to exit the end of the conveyor in the case of blank production. The seam roll forming system includes 2 full sets of rolls to produce both Pittsburgh and snap lock female seams. The seam roll forming system can be easily changed over from Pittsburgh to snap lock during the machine setup. The operator simply selects the seam type, and hydraulic controls automatically move the roll forming rack vertically to the appropriate set of forming rolls. The optional cold sealant application system automatically applies sealant to the female side of the seam. The second transfer table transfers the part 90 degrees into the TDC or TDF flange roll forming system. This duplex station forms the TDC or TDF flanges on both sides of the part simultaneously. If the part has already been formed for slip and drive, the part simply passes through a guide system. As the part exits the TDC flange forming station, it enters the Insulmatic and pinning system. The system sprays a uniform application of glue onto the part as it passes under the glue head. It then continues through the Insulmatic where squaring arms re-square the part prior to application of the insulation. Continuing through the pinning system, the controls regulate the frequency and the pin placement configuration. Either a Durodyne or grip nail system is provided according to your preference. The final piece of equipment in this automated line is the brake, which will brake the part to form finished L duct sections. IPI also offers the option of a brake that will produce either L or U sections, or fully wrapped duct sections. The PC-based control system features a touchscreen control panel that allows the operator to easily enter the part processing parameters, including cut length, number of pieces, notching, shearing, and brake control, then saving them onto the PC hard drive. The system is capable of storing hundreds of these part recipes. The 75 foot per minute line speed makes the IPI Pro FabriDuct the fastest coil line in the industry, and as a result, provides the fastest cycle time. The hydraulic servo feed drive and PC-based controls precisely direct the feeding and cutoff process to ensure accuracies of plus or minus 20 thousandths of an inch between notch locations as well as length. Also available is an optional short part package that allows producing sections for wall stack. IPI is the only manufacturer that has this capability. The optional grease duct or welded duct package is capable of running 16-gauge 90-degree flange in place of TDC, as well as breaking 16-gauge, extending the versatility of the Pro FabriDuct line. Coil and insulation data inventory software is also available as an option. Iowa Precision Machinery is built to last. Our customers have enjoyed a low maintenance track record over the years, and the Pro FabriDuct is no exception. Serviceability is designed into the line. An open framework of the machine base allows convenient access to the electricals, power transmission components, valves, manifolds, etc. These components are placed along the outside of the framework to make regular maintenance and troubleshooting much easier. This line, built by IPI at its Cedar Rapids location, boasts the smallest footprint in the industry, so a minimum amount of precious floor space is required. Iowa Precision offers the best in service and technical support. A full staff of experienced in-house service technicians and engineers are available to provide you the best possible service. Let IPI's automated duct fabricating line, the Pro FabriDuct, provide you savings in labor, storage, and material, as well as just-in-time production. For more information, contact your Iowa Precision representative.